Hey everyone, this is the video, the one where virtual style salon goes from a cool project to an actual business. We're adding payments. By the end of this video, salon owners will be able to pay you real money to use your app. Real credit cards, real transactions, real revenue. Your SaaS will be ready to launch. We're using Stripe, the same payment processor used by Amazon, Google, Shopify, and millions of other businesses. It's trusted, secure, and honestly way easier to set up than you might think. And here's the best part. Stripe is fully integrated with Lovable. This makes everything way simpler. All the prompts and links are in the description. The Lovable link is an affiliate. If you want to support the channel, using it helps me keep making these videos at no extra cost to you. Let's make some money! First, let's set up Stripe. Head to stripe.com, link in the description, and create an account. You'll start in test mode, which is perfect for development. We'll use test mode throughout this video to make sure everything works before going live. Go to Developers, then API Keys. We need two keys here. The publishable key, that's safe to use in the front end. It starts with PK_test. And the secret key, this one stays on the server, starts with SK_test. Copy both of these. Now here's where it gets really cool. With Lovable's Stripe integration, we don't need to create products manually in Stripe's dashboard. Lovable can create the products and prices automatically. This saves us a lot of time and keeps everything in one place. Let's add our Stripe keys to Lovable first. Go to Cloud, then Secrets, and add Stripe_secret_key with your SK_test key and Stripe_publishable_key with your PK_test key. Now let's build our pricing page in Lovable. Remember in the last video, we set up usage limits? Free users get 10 generations, Starter gets 50, Pro gets 200, and Unlimited has no limit. Now we're going to create the pricing page that matches those tiers exactly. Here's my first prompt. You can copy it from the description. Create a beautiful pricing page with 4 tiers. Free at $0 with 10 AI previews per month. Starter at $19 marked as most popular with 50 previews. Pro at $49 with 200 previews. And Unlimited at $99 with unlimited previews. These limits match exactly what we set up in the usage tracking system. I'm asking for a toggle for monthly versus annual pricing with 20% off for annual, an FAQ section, and matching our purple brand colors. Let me copy this, paste it into Lovable, and run it. Look at this beautiful pricing page. 4 tiers clearly laid out, feature comparison with check marks, and that most popular badge on Starter. The monthly/annual toggle is there too. This is exactly what you'd see on any professional SaaS website. Now let's make these buttons actually charge people. Now here's prompt 2. This is where the magic happens. We're telling Lovable to integrate Stripe and create the products automatically. Integrate Stripe for subscription payments. Create Supabase Edge function for Stripe checkout that accepts price_ID, user_ID, user_email. Creates a Stripe checkout session and returns the checkout URL. And here's the key part. Create the Stripe products and prices automatically from Lovable. Starter at $19 per month, Pro at $49 per month, and Unlimited at $99 per month. These should match the usage limits we created in the previous video. I'm also asking for success and cancel pages. So after someone pays, they see a nice confirmation, and if they cancel, they get a friendly message. Let me copy this, paste it, and run it. This creates the whole checkout flow and the products in Stripe automatically. No need to go back and forth between Stripe and Lovable. When someone clicks a plan button, we create a Stripe checkout session and redirect them to Stripe's secure payment page. If you go to your Stripe dashboard now, you'll see the products were created automatically. Starter, Pro, Unlimited, all with the right prices. That's the power of Lovable's Stripe integration. Now let's test this to make sure everything works. This is really important before going live. Let me click on the Starter Plan button. See? We're now on Stripe's checkout page. This is the same secure payment form you've used on thousands of websites. Credit card input, billing address, everything. We didn't have to build any of this. Stripe handles all the sensitive credit card stuff. Now, since we're in test mode, we can use Stripe's test credit card. The magic number is 4242422424242. For the expiry date, use any future date. I'll use December 28th. And for the CVC, any 3 digits work. I'll use 123. Click Pay, and boom, payment successful. We get redirected to our success page. If you go to your Stripe dashboard, under Payments, you'll see this test payment listed there. This is how you test your entire payment flow without using a real credit card. Stripe has other test cards too for specific scenarios, like cards that get declined, cards with insufficient funds, but 4242 is the one you'll use most often. Now let's handle what happens after payment. Here's prompt 3, the webhooks. Create a Stripe webhook handler edge function. Verify webhook signature. Handle checkout.session.completed by updating user subscription status. Handle subscription.updated for upgrades and downgrades. Handle subscription.deleted to downgrade to free. Handle invoice.paid to reset usage limits. Handle invoice.payment_failed to flag the account and send an email. Let me copy this, paste it, and run it. This is important. When Stripe confirms payment, it hits our webhook, we update the user's account, set their plan tier, reset their usage limits to match the new plan, and boom, they're a paying customer with the right generation limits. Don't forget to publish your changes. When someone pays, they should get a confirmation email, a receipt. Here's prompt 4. Create a purchase confirmation email template using Resend. Professional receipt with virtual style salon header. Thanks for subscribing with their name. Order details showing plan and price. What's included based on their tier. Let me copy this, paste it, and run it. Now when someone purchases, they automatically get a professional receipt email. Last piece, letting users manage their subscription. They need to be able to upgrade, downgrade, update their card, or cancel. Here's prompt 5. Add subscription management to settings page. Show current plan name and price, subscription status, next billing date, usage display with their generation limits. Action buttons for upgrade plan, manage subscription which opens Stripe customer portal, cancel subscription with confirmation. Let me copy this, paste it, and run it. Now in settings, users can see their current plan, how many generations they have left based on their tier, and manage everything. That Manage Subscription button is magic. It opens Stripe's customer portal where they can update their credit card, view invoices, or cancel. And don't forget to publish your changes. Alright, so everything works in test mode, but how do you actually go live and accept real payments? It's actually super simple. In your Stripe dashboard, you'll see a toggle at the top that says Test Mode. When you're ready to launch, you flip that toggle off. But before you can do that, Stripe needs to verify your business. Go to Settings, then Business Settings, and complete your account details. You'll need to provide your business information, bank account for payouts, and verify your identity. This usually takes a day or two. Once you're verified, you go back to Developers, API keys, but this time you grab the live keys. They start with PK_live and SK_live instead of PK_test and SK_test. Then in Lovable, go to Cloud, Secrets, and replace your test keys with the live keys. That's it. Your app is now processing real payments. One important note, your test data and live data are completely separate. Test payments won't show up in your live dashboard, and vice versa. So you can keep testing new features in test mode without affecting your real customers. Additionally, you will have to create the subscriptions using the prompt we saw earlier. And that's it. Virtual Style Salon is now a real business. You've got a professional pricing page that matches the usage limits from the last video, secure payments through Stripe, automatic confirmation emails, full subscription management, and you know how to go live when you're ready. This is everything you need to start charging customers. You could put this in front of salon owners today and start making money. That's the power of what we've built together in this series. And with this, we close this series. We've gone from zero to a complete monetizable SaaS in just 5 videos. Landing page, authentication, emails, AI features, and payments. Everything you need. But this is just the beginning. In upcoming videos, I'll be showing you how to build different types of projects, blogs, online communities, e-commerce stores, and more. And for all of these, we'll be using Kurzify, an amazing tool that speeds up the process by 10 times and keeps your lovable projects organized and robust. Link in the description. Thanks for following along this whole series. If you've built something using these techniques, tag me on Twitter. I'd love to see it. See you in the next one.